Smart Buyers Partner App Demo Video Part 1.
This part of video speaks about process of first time login and configuration of the Partner app. For this, you are required to log in on Partner app using the user ID provisioned for you already. In other words, to use the Partner app, you need to get registered with us to get a user ID password using which you can log into the app. Partner app has two sections: Service Provider and Associate. For the first time, you are required to log in as Service Provider. After typing in a valid user ID and password, when you enter into Partner app for the first time, you land into the profile page of Service Provider, that is you, where you are required to fill in the company details such as logo or image of the company, name of the company, owner's name and mobile number and company's address, city and locality. After configuring details of company into the system, if you want to change the password, you may do so. Smart Buyers Partner App Demo Video Part 2. This part speaks about how to add services provided by the company. For this, you are required to log in on the app using user ID provisioned for you already. In parallel to that, profile of the service provider must be configured already. After logging into the app using service provider's login ID, please click on Services tab. At first time login, services page will be seen completely blank like this. To add the service, click on the plus button. A new service page will appear on the screen, where you need to fill in the details of services like a suitable photo for the service to identify it, a relevant yet simple name for the service, description of the service, terms and conditions attached to the service if any. Keep this switch off if the service is a one-time on-demand service, and if it is a subscription-based service opted regularly, then switch it on. For instance, the service we are configuring right now is a daily basis service, for which total costs for 1 month subscription, 3 month subscription, 6 month subscription and 12 month subscription are needed to be entered into the system. As the same service is provided on alternate days basis also, details of this subscription are also configured into the system. Let's save the enter detail. This way, first service has been configured successfully into the system. Let's repeat the same process to add another service. Oops, we forgot to add the image for second service. No issues, we are allowed to edit the service also. For demo purpose, let us add a one-time service also. One-time service is provided on demand. For example, this service provider accepts order for paneer in bulk quantities also. Configuring the service is same as configuration of previous services, except the steps to keep the subscription switch off and to provide one-time cost of the service. Smart Buyers Partner App Demo Video Part 3. This part speaks about how to add the associates working on the services. For this, you are required to log in on the app using the user ID provisioned for you. In parallel to that, the profile of the service provider must be configured already. After logging into the app using service provider's login ID, please click on Associates tab. As this is first time login, there are no associates configured on the system. Hence, the associates page will be seen completely blank like this. To add an associate in the system, please click the plus button and feed the details of the associate in the system. For example, photo of the associate, associate's name and mobile number, associate's email ID, which will be his or her user ID as well. Also, set a default password for him or her. But whatever password you set, please remember it well. Please enter the password once again. Role and expertise can be skipped for the time being. Now, let us save the details entered so far. So, first associate for your company has been configured into the system. Let's repeat the process to add another working associate. If you need to modify the details or need to add more details of the associate later, the associate's data can be edited also. Smart Buyers Partner App Demo Video Part 4. In Part 2 of the demo video, we added the services provided by the vendor into the system. After that, those services are being seen by the smart buyers on the user app. And the smart buyers have also started subscribing those services. This part of the demo video speaks about how to accept and process the services subscribed by the smart buyers. After logging into the app using service provider's login ID, please click on Subscription tab. On this page, you will see the services subscribed by the smart buyers, which will be accepted by the vendor after modification or as it is based on company's capacity. Based on the subscription type of service, different parts of service data can be modified. For instance, this service subscription is a twice a week type subscription. So for this, besides service time, days of service also can be changed. After changing the booking data based on the capacity of the company, the booking is assigned to one of the associates and accepted into the system. After which, the booking is no more available on the subscription tab and is seen on booking tab. This part will be seen in a while. Similarly, rest of the bookings are also accepted into the system, assigning them to someone from the associates list. As discussed before, the bookings accepted into the system are now visible on Bookings tab.